What are you playing? Playing air hockey?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Ready?
I got you, Chase. And you know what? I got you. I got you, Chase. And you know what? You never get me. Yeah.
You being nice on him, y'all?
Yeah.
The slowest game of air hockey ever played. Look at the thing. It's like, oh, I can't reach it. I can't reach the puck because I'm a midget. Hey, Midge. Where's the puck? Here it comes.